What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Stan of SJ Square Photography, bring you back another video to now. Today is going to be all about 35mm 1.4 versus the 45mm 1.8 by Tamron. Now, I'm actually in the market of looking for a 35mm because I just love the 45 so freaking much, but I do need another lens for my Sony, so the 35mm is gonna be the option. Now, I love the 45 just as much, but really, it's 40, I mean, not 40, but it's 10mm really gonna be a difference between the two to be like, can you tell the difference? So this is what this video is gonna be all about, to see if you can really tell the difference between 10mm. Now, I am the person I always says when other photographers ask me between the 105 and the 85. I tell them to go with the 105 because one, that is the king of portrait lenses, and I absolutely love that 105 focal length. And I also tell them there's no really big difference between the 85 and the 105 because the millimeters are so different. So this is gonna be kind of compared to the millimeters. Now, today I got a lovely model help me today.
How's the one?
She's going to be helping me out with this comparison video, and then we're going to find out what's going to be what. Of course, all her information will be on the screen as well in the description below, so please hit her up if you want to do anything. All right, don't forget to click that subscribe button, and of course like it and share this comment. Not the comment, but the videos, and hit the comments down below and let me know what's your favorite focal length. So let's get right into it, right?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. you made it to the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed that work we just put in for you. Now, as far as those pictures, there is actually a really big difference between 10 millimeters, as you've seen if you made it to the end of the video so far. I actually really like shooting the 35. I really enjoy it, actually. I really enjoyed the focal length. Now, I do have a 24-70, but I don't really use that because I'm really more focused on prime lens nowadays. I really enjoy shooting primes only, but I did enjoy this 35. How did you enjoy the shoot today?
It was good.
It was good?
Yeah,
Did you enjoy it? You enjoy it?
Yeah, not that cold.
It wasn't that cold, yeah. We are in February, it's not that cold, but it was pretty good. So I really hope you enjoyed that little comparison video, and let me know down below which one would you desire to get, the 35 or the 45. Now, trust me, the 45 is only made by Tamron. This is an older lens, probably about 3 or 4 years old by now. Maybe older than that, but you know, I do love the 35 focal length. So I really hope you enjoyed that comparison video. Until the next video,
Yeah, to the next video.
peace. Video. I really hope you enjoy that work that we just put in for. I forgot to cut my mic off.
Oh.